Yeah, I think this is the problem. My knock right here. I think it might have been sliding back and forth like that in the cylinder. And it's got a little play in the wrist pin also. But yeah, it's pretty bad. So, the cylinder doesn't look that bad up top. But down below looks pretty bad down there. So what I'm gonna do is just hone it out because it runs smooth already. So you just had that loud knocking noise. I'll go and change these two out, and I'll go ahead and do the head gasket and the pistons on this side too while I'm already here. Already got the set. Let you guys see the part number. This came from Rock Auto. It's like 70 bucks, 80 bucks for the set. And New Timon said I might as well, head gaskets were like $8 a piece. But yep. Change the lifters, everything. Actually, here's the other set of new. I just haven't put them in yet because I just had a suspicion about the wrist pin. But it's not the wrist pin. It's the piston itself. Sliding back and forth in the cylinder like that. And it's enough play in it to suggest that was the whole problem the whole time. 3.7, and I'm pretty sure the 4.7 is probably going to be about the same issues. But I mean, I've heard and actually I've had repaired one with a bad lifter, because actually this one did spit a lifter at one point. You can see where the guy tried to repair the side of it. It's got a big hole in the side where it spit the lifter real bad. So I'm going to replace that one as well. There's a few of these in the junkyard. But yeah, I've repaired one with a lifter is bad and it's knocking. But yeah, this one, it was either usually the wrist pin or the piston itself. So I'll go and change these out. New rings and everything. No, they didn't come with the set, so you have to actually purchase those separately. But Rock Auto is basically cheap because I'm right here next to an Advance. Those same pistons were like $3 something. All right.